Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the incredible stories of the people working to protect it. Imagine a place where the boundaries between countries fade away and people from different backgrounds come together to heal the land they love. This is the story of the US-Mexico border, where an innovative approach to conservation is taking root. In this arid landscape, ranchers and researchers are working together to restore biodiversity and promote sustainable land use. At the heart of this effort are ancient rock structures known as trincheras, which have been used for centuries to manage water resources and reduce erosion. These simple yet effective barriers are being rediscovered and adapted by modern conservationists with remarkable results. By slowing down torrential rains and allowing water to seep into the ground, trincheras are helping to bring back native vegetation, reduce soil loss, and even support local wildlife. One of the pioneers of this approach is Josiah Austin, a rancher who has spent decades working to restore his land in southeastern Arizona. Austin's property is a testament to the power of conservation, with lush native grasses, thriving cottonwood trees, and a diverse array of wildlife. His work has also attracted the attention of researchers like Laura Norman, who are studying the effectiveness of trincheras in reducing erosion and improving water quality. But this story isn't just about one person or one place, it's about a broader movement to protect and restore the natural world. Across the US-Mexico border, over 100 organizations are working together to promote sustainable land use, conserve biodiversity, and support local communities. It's a powerful reminder that even in the face of climate change and environmental degradation, there is still hope for a better future. As we explore this story further, we'll hear from the people on the ground who are making a difference and learn more about the innovative approaches they're using to heal the land. We'll also delve into the science behind trincheras and explore the potential for this approach to be applied in other parts of the world. So join us as we venture into the fascinating world of conservation and restoration on the US-Mexico border. It's a story of collaboration, innovation, and hope, and it's just the beginning of our journey on Nature Walk. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves on the Atlantic coast of Africa, in a place where the rhythms of the tides have created an ecosystem of breathtaking beauty and diversity. The Biodiversity archipelago, located off the coast of Guinea-Bissau, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. This deltaic archipelago is home to a staggering array of marine life, from migratory shorebirds to manatees, dolphins, and sea turtles. As we explore this incredible ecosystem, we're struck by the sheer power of the tides. With tidal ranges of up to 7 meters, the islands are constantly changing shape, revealing vast expanses of mudflats and sandflats at low tide, only to be submerged again as the waters rise. It's a process that sustains an astonishing array of marine life, from tiny crustaceans to massive sea turtles. One of the most remarkable sights in the archipelago is the nesting of green sea turtles on the tiny island of Poilau. Thousands of these magnificent creatures come ashore each year, laying their eggs in the sand and then making their way back to the sea. But the journey is fraught with danger as crabs, lizards, and birds prey on the vulnerable hatchlings. And even those that make it to the water face a myriad of predators, from jacks and barracudas to sharks and rays. Despite these challenges, the Biodiversity archipelago remains one of the most important nesting sites for green sea turtles in West Africa. And as we explore this incredible ecosystem, we're reminded of the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. As we delve deeper into the archipelago, we begin to appreciate the complex interplay between the tides, the coastline, and the marine life that calls this place home. It's a reminder that even in the most remote and seemingly inhospitable places, there is beauty, wonder, and a deep connection to the natural world. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I would like to take you to the rolling hills of Shropshire, England, where a dedicated team is working tirelessly to protect an iconic species on the brink of decline. The Eurasian curlew, with its distinctive call and elegant silhouette, has been a staple of these landscapes for centuries. However, its numbers have been dwindling, earning it a spot on the UK's red list of highest conservation concern. Amanda Perkins, leading the non-profit organisation Curlew Country, is at the forefront of this conservation effort. Her team has embarked on an innovative project to headstart young curlews, taking eggs from wild nests and incubating them in specially designed pens before releasing them back into their natural habitat. This method, licensed by Natural England, aims to give these vulnerable chicks a fighting chance against the high predation rates that have plagued their survival. As we delve deeper into this story, it becomes clear that the challenges faced by curlews are multifaceted. Predation is a major concern, with these ground-nesting birds being easy targets in open spaces. Additionally, human disturbance and habitat degradation have further threatened their populations. The RSPB notes that about 30% of Western European curlews choose to breed in the UK, making conservation efforts here crucial for the species' overall survival. The local nature recovery strategy in Shropshire has identified curlews as a priority species, emphasizing the need for landscape-scale connectivity and high-quality grasslands or wetlands. It's heartening to see stakeholders, including farmers and local residents, coming together to support this cause. The farming community in particular has been instrumental in conservation efforts, often alerting volunteers to nest locations and working collaboratively to protect these areas. As we conclude our tale of the curlew's plight and the valiant efforts to save them, it's a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between human activity and nature. The release of 48 young curlews back into the wild is a step towards stabilizing their numbers, but it also underscores the need for continued vigilance and cooperation. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.